Module 3, Budgeting. Budgeting isn't just about cutting costs or limiting your spending, it's about financial empowerment. It gives you the power to choose how you spend, save, and grow your money to achieve your goals. In this module, you'll learn how to create and maintain a practical, zero-based budget, tracking your expenses effectively, adjusting your budget to fit life changes and goals. Let's dive in. Step 1. How to create and maintain a practical, zero-based budget. First, what exactly is a zero-based budget? A zero-based budget is simply a budgeting method where your income minus your expenses equals zero. This means every dollar you earn has a purpose and a destination, whether it's expenses, savings, investing, or debt repayment. Here's how to create your zero-based budget step by step. Step A. Calculate your monthly income. Add up all your sources of monthly income. For example, salary, $3,500 per month, side job or freelance work, $300 per month, total monthly income, $3,800. Step B. List your monthly expenses. Start with your fixed expenses, regular and essential expenses that don't change much month to month. Rent/mortgage, $1,200, utilities, electric, gas, water, $200 car payment, $300 student loan payment, $250 insurance premiums, $150. Next, list your variable expenses that fluctuate monthly, groceries, $400, gasoline, $100, eating out and entertainment, $150. Step C. Include savings and investments. Emergency savings fund, $200, retirement or investing contributions, $250. Now, add all these expenses together. Total expenses, $3,200. Step D. Allocate remaining money. Subtract total expenses from your total monthly income. $3,800 income, $3,200 expenses equals $600 remaining. Give every remaining dollar a purpose. You might use the remaining $600 to pay down debt faster, save more for a vacation, or increase retirement contributions. Once you've allocated every dollar, your budget should look like this. Income, $3,800. Expenses including savings and investments, $3,800. Income minus expenses equals $0. Congratulations! You've created your first zero-based budget. Step 2. Tracking your expenses effectively. Creating a budget is the first step, but sticking to it requires tracking your expenses closely. Here's how you do that effectively. Method 1. Digital apps and tools. Use budgeting apps like Mint, Inab. You need a budget, or every dollar. These apps link to your bank accounts, track transactions automatically, and show you exactly how much you've spent and how much is left in each category. Example, suppose you've budgeted $400 for groceries. An app can immediately show you if you've spent $250 and have $150 left for the month. This helps you avoid overspending. Method 2. Manual tracking. If you prefer hands-on tracking, save receipts and log expenses daily or weekly in a notebook or spreadsheet. Regularly tracking this way helps you stay mindful of your spending. Review your expenses weekly. This helps you catch spending leaks quickly. For example, you might notice you spent $75 on takeout this week, leaving only $75 remaining in your eating out budget for the month. You can then adjust your spending immediately rather than overspending later. Consistent tracking builds financial discipline and ensures your budget accurately reflects your actual spending habits. Step 3. Adjusting your budget to fit life changes and goals. Life happens. Circumstances change, jobs change, income fluctuates, families grow. Your budget should change with you. Let's say your financial situation changes due to a raise, a job loss, a new baby, or purchasing a new home. Here's how to adjust your budget effectively. Example scenario, you get a raise of $500 per month. Previously, your budget was income, $3,800, expenses, $3,800. Now your new monthly income is $4,300. You need to assign that extra $500 to align with your goals. You might